go view trials on a plane. Let's go see trials by train. Come on, let's go see trials by automobile. Trial B. Hey, this is one of my favorite new intros for Ball FloraPlant this year. It's Salvia Mystic Spires Improved, and hopefully I'm not going to get stung by all the bumblebees that are hovering over this beautiful plant. I'm out in a California field trial where we test the performance of all Ball FloraPlant genetics. And when we talked about Salvia Mystic Spires Improved, we talked about its ability to continue to look beautiful and flower all summer long and hide its dead better, really. And what I'm showing you here today is the variety here, right next to it, that's the original Mystic Spires. Still a great variety, and it's September 21st, so it's actually the first day of fall. We planted Mystic Spires Improved and Mystic Spires right here on the first week of June. These plants have been basically neglected. All they get is water, no maintenance, no care, no nothing, just watering. And you can see this plant has both have thrived all summer long, and again, all the way till the first day of fall, September 21st. But look at how much bluer, how much cleaner Salvia Mystic Spires looks in a consumer garden setting. So a consumer is going to be much happier with this product. When I look at the old version of Mystic Spires, this is something where I'm going to have to get my scissors out as a consumer, and I'm going to have to come in here and I'm going to have to try to like deadhead some of this to try to clean it up. And what's happening is it's holding on to its old flowers longer, where the Mystic Spires Improved just gives a cleaner, true blue look all the way through summer, all the way up into fall, maybe in California, deep into fall, maybe all the way till Thanksgiving. This is a fantastic product. You need to go get some and grow some today because consumers are going to go gaga over this. It's drought tolerant. It's a pollinator. The bees are swarming this plant right now. I've got hummingbirds buzzing me. This is a great plant for the consumer. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the plants happy. They'll keep you happy.